Hello YouTube friends. I wanted to do this video for a long time. I had meant to make this one of my first videos, and then I just kind of got sidetracked with all the different comparison videos and things. But this is a video to show how I hacked my little clutch by Michael Kors and made it into something more useful for me. So this little leather clutch is really cute. I got this years ago, and I also got it used with some sort of huge coupon. So I think I ended up spending like $10 on it or something really cheap. But if you wanted to find something similar, I think it has been discontinued or changed a little bit, but it's the Michael Kors Extra Large Jet Set Zip Tech Clutch. Trying to say that 3 times fast, and that one originally was $128. So, you know, to find this for 10 is really good. It's 11 inches across, 7.5 inches high, and 0.75 deep. So it's similar in size to the Louis Vuitton Daily pouch. But I really love the color of it. It's kind of a really pretty oxblood burgundy color. The leather is pebble grain, and it's really smooth and pretty. And I even like the little plate. And I'm not a huge Michael Kors fan. I think this might be my only Michael Kors bag. But like I said, I got it a few years ago, and it just has a little wrist strap on it. And I always wanted to make it into something more useful for me, which would be like a crossbody. So I did a few different steps, and I'll tell you what I did and why. The strap across here, I always wanted it to be able to go all the way across so that I could carry it kind of like a little bag on my arm, or a little tiny shoulder bag. But the only way that it would go across is if you unzip it. So that's how it was originally. This was the zipper pull as well. It's on a little hook, and that's it. So the first hack that I did is I was throwing out some old cheapy bag, and I realized that it had a really nice gold zipper pull. So I took it off of that bag and added it onto this. So this was free. So now I can take the wristlet strap and I can just attach it onto here, and I can go across like this, or I can take it off of here and go all the way across and clip it to this side so that I can carry it like a little handbag. Okay, so that was the first hack I did. The second hack I did was to add some little screw-in clips, and I am not the first person in the world to do this. I know I've even seen other videos where people did this to their Louis Vuitton. I was not ready to do it to any nice bag, but this one I thought I would practice on. So see these little clips right here? So what I initially wanted to do was to put them just on the sides, but the way the bag is laid out, it has a lot of lining, and it's got a panel here that is sewn into the sides, so you really cannot get anything in there. It makes, with the piping and everything, it just was too thick to fit. So I offset them a little bit towards the back, which is also okay because then you don't see it from the front at all. Okay, so I added those on, and I think I got these on eBay. Really cheap. I think it was $6 for a set of 4 or 6 of them. I can't remember how many I got. They look like this in little packages. Okay, so they're very easy to find. So I got those, and what it is, it's almost like an earring. You put this on the inside, one side, it's got a little, that part, you put that on the inside, and then you screw on the little eye hook thing. Okay, so now that opened up a lot more abilities for me, and if I unclip that little strap, I can tuck it neatly inside so you don't see it. And then I can clip on any basic chain strap. And I just happen to have this one because it came with some other bag that I had. And you can clip it on, and it makes it a really cute crossbody. So see, you've just changed the look. So that you can use as a crossbody. And then I thought, well, I don't always want to use a gold chain. I wish I had a burgundy strap. And I happen to have a wallet on strap from another burgundy bag. And so that one ended up being my favorite version of this because it's also a crossbody, but it's adjustable. And so you just clip it onto those little hooks and they swivel. So now I've got a different crossbody look. So it's kind of a fun way you can hack a little clutch or a little pochette. If you have one that you don't care too much about or that's not expensive, I would try it on there first. But I just think it really made a cute version of this and one that I will definitely use more often. If you want to see everything that fits in here, it is pretty thin, but you're able to put a lot into it. So I'll show you exactly what fits in here. So I have a key case with my keys. The back pocket has a zip, so I would normally keep my phone in there. There's another slip pocket here, and then card holder pockets there. So it's got a lot of room in it. I really like it. Got some gum in there. I've got, you've seen this, my corner zip wristlet that has everything in the world you could need to sanitize everything. From Coach, this is the corner zip wristlet. That even fits, and that's not too small. And it's got, I like it, it's got a little divider. So it's pretty roomy for just a little clutch. And then I have my new Dooney wallet, the top zip wristlet. And I have my new DKNY pouch. That also fits. And see, you can really get a feel for how roomy this is. So now I have really 4 different ways to wear it. I can wear it as crossbody with the gold chain, a crossbody with the leather strap. I can wear it as just a clutch with the wristlet strap attached over here, or I can attach the wristlet strap to this side. So I hope you like this video. I just wanted to give you guys some ideas. If you have a bag like this one that you love but you wish it worked harder for you, that's one way to do it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.